Can animals get cavities?
Yes, animals can get cavities, dental caries, but it is much less common than in humans. Here's why. 1. Diet. Wild animals mostly eat raw meat, plants, bones, or fibrous materials, which naturally clean their teeth.
They don't consume processed foods high in sugar like humans do.
2. Saliva composition. Many animals have more alkaline saliva, which helps neutralize acids and prevent tooth decay.
3. Tooth replacement.
Some animals, like sharks, continuously grow new teeth, reducing cavity risks. 4. Chewing habits. Many animals chew on hard materials, bones, wood, rough plants, which helps clean plaque of their teeth.